Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. Today we are going to continue our story about Leaflet package and R programming language, and we are going to say a few more words about markers. Well, now I'm using this code from our previous episode, and as you know we have created 5 markers, but as you see these kind of default markers are quite boring. And you could easily change that by using some custom images, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And in my local folder I have these 2 circles. Let me show you. This one I'm going to use as icon, and this one I'm going to use as shadow. And now finally let's get to code. First thing that we need to do, we have to create IC object, IC for icon, and I'm going to use function make icon. Make some space in here. With argument icon URL, we are going to set address of our image, and you could use both online and offline resources. I'm going to use my image named icon PNG, then icon width, I'm going to set it to 50, then icon height also to 50. Okay, and I'm going to let it be for now. In here I'm going to provide another argument icon, and I'm going to set it to IC. Now if I run this code, I have some typo, I guess. Yes, I don't have comma in here. Let's try it again. Alright, let's refresh this. Alright, we have our 5 circles. And now in order to add shadow, I'm going to put comma in here and set shadow URL argument for our shadow, and that is from my local directory shadow PNG. Then shadow height also 50 units, shadow width also 50 units. Okay, if I save this and I run this, and if I refresh this, you are going to see that there is no shadow. And why is that? Because those 2 images are overlapping one another. In order to change that, I'm going to add few more arguments. Icon anchor X equals 10 and icon anchor Y equals 10. And for shadow, I'm going to add shadow anchor X 5 and shadow anchor Y 5. Save it, run it. And of course I have typo in here. I missed comma. Save it, run it again. Everything is fine now. Refresh it and let's see what we got. And you see we have our circle with red border and shadow underneath it. Not boring like last time. So guys, thank you for watching. I truly hope that you have learned something interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!